see what this lovely weather's like. Southern Ontario, I would suggest not going out. It's big, especially if you're on foot. Oh, I ain't got no snow gear on. It's fucking windy as fuck. It's not fun, but I'm also Canadian. Fuck it. It is what it is. You know, jeans. Thick jeans. Pseudo jeans, but nonetheless, still pretty goddamn cold. This fucking Rexel here, this guy's from my mom's Christmas stuff. On fucking cat. Because the weather changed quite drastically. It definitely did not take long for this weather to fucking change. Kind of brutal. Oh, this is a real fucking treat. I must fucking admit, this is fucking lovely. Not really, I can't even get a lean into the fucking end. Like, yeah, come to Canada. Then when they get here, they're like, fuck this shit. I can't imagine. It must be a huge culture shock. Like, oh well, I don't think I deserve to live here any more than anybody else.